Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can charge the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. And maybe you're looking for the charger and yeah, you cannot find it in the box. It's a bit hidden because in the cover of the box there's another little white box. So just remove it like this, and then here on the side below you will find here the charger. So just pull it out like this, and yeah, then just release it here, and this is the charger here. Okay, this part is going here, so just remove here the film, and on the other side you need to take power charging adapter with the USB type A port. So don't take USB type C one, so the new one, so take the USB type A port with the big one here, and then just like that, and then you can charge it easily. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.